What's up, guys? My name is Min Fan, and I sell luxury real estate. This year, to celebrate my girlfriend Kelly's birthday, we went to Hawaii. One of the things we were really looking forward to was trying all the amazing food with her cousin Ellis, who lives in Hawaii, and his girlfriend Lindsay, who was born in Hawaii. The first place they took us was the Waiahole Poi Factory. This place has been around since 1905 and is known for serving really good traditional Hawaiian food. I really wanted to try some kalua pig. Alright guys, we're at the Waiahole Poi Factory. Sorry if I murdered that. About to try our first taste of kalua pig. That's so good right there. Banging. Love that. Super moist, ton of flavor in there. I'm gonna try poi for the first time. I'm pretty curious about this. It's not bad. It's like plain tasting. It tastes really, really fresh. Coconut jello.
Are you supposed to mix the coconut and stuff together, or just eat it by itself?
That's delicious right there.
Is it sweet?
That's definitely dessert, yeah.
I would try the ice cream.
Now this we have kalolo with ice cream on top. Absolutely. That is delicious right there. It's like, I don't really know how to describe that. It's kind of like the consistency of mochi. It kind of tastes like mochi, I guess. With the ice cream, it's perfect though.
Good, it's warm.
Our guides over here, Ellis and Lindsay, are fighting over their food. It's really funny.
I like that.
Look at that face.
Freaking mean coffee.
You know it's good if he makes that face.
Try the Lao Lao now. This is one of Ellis's favorite foods. Pour to that. Got the pork in there. Some beef. Everything here is banging. Definitely come here, you guys. You want to get in this one? Get in this one.
Ellis, Lindsay.
A few moments later.
Perfect.
I thought Giovanni's had a really great story. They started selling shrimp out of a little bread truck back in 1996. In 2010, they were able to buy the land that they're parked on, and they actually built the pavilion to give all of their loyal customers a place to sit and eat out of the sun. Now guys, they would not have been able to do that if these shrimp weren't amazing. Just a really intense, garlicky, buttery flavor that just goes perfect with the shrimp. And of course, rice is the perfect side dish for just about everything.
Eat. Enjoy yourself.
To wash it all down, I recommend a passion orange juice drink or a coconut. And once you're done, please don't waste it. Ask them very nicely and they will cut it open for you. Make sure you leave them a tip. For dessert, I recommend walking right over to the Ono Yo truck and getting some of that yogurt with this amazing organic honey on top. So a few days later, me and Kelly went to Leonard's Bakery. This place has been around since 1952, and they are known for their malasadas. But Leonard's has all kinds of goodies inside. Apple turnovers, Danish, almond pastries, and of course these hot dog things that every Asian kid got when they were young. Oh yeah.
Wow. They have option that like these are the puffs, the masala puffs, which we got the coconut, the macadamia, and the guava, and then on the left side is the original.
I'm gonna try what I think is the coconut one first. They're still warm. They're, like I said, they're all made to order. Oh, that's so coconutty.
Now someone said that they're just like the beignets from New Orleans. Do you feel like they are?
It does taste like a beignet, but
not too much sugar.
that coconut though, like that tastes really, really natural right there. It's not, it doesn't taste like baked coconut. Delicious.
Okay.
All right.
Try an original.
This one now?
Let me see.
Mm.
Okay. Good. That's macadamia.
Oh, that's macadamia.
Yeah.
Very fresh tasting. I couldn't really tell it was macadamia though, honestly. It tastes like custard. Gotta try the guava, because we're in Hawaii. Wow.
Let me see.
You can definitely taste the fresh
Wow,
guava
look
in
at
there.
that.
Oh. Stuffed to the brim. Delicious. All right. This is the original. Nothing in there. Very good.
Which you like? Actually, that one's cinnamon. We got 2 originals and 1 cinnamon.
Cinnamon roll. You know what?
Freaking pigeons all over the
Guys,
right now.
I think the original is actually my favorite.
Okay.
It's
Rather
just-
than the puffs?
Yeah, it's just really simple, you know, sweet tasting, fresh tasting. But, you know, that cinnamon one comes in at a second close. Like Kelly told you guys before, I'm not too big on sweets, so you guys may feel differently. But for the cinnamon and the sugar, I really felt like that's all you really need.
Okay.
But either way, they're all delicious. So make sure you go to Leonard's Malasadas. Go ahead, baby. We got some food. So when we were finishing up filming, I look up and I notice Chris Weidman. Everyone who follows UFC, of course, knows that Chris is famous for knocking out Anderson Silva for the first time ever. Chris was a champion in the UFC and beat people like Lyoto Machida and Vitor Belfort. Today, though, he was with his family and it looked like they were having a great time. Chris was a very polite dude. So I just wanted to make sure I said thank you very much for taking the time to take a picture with the family. Alicia's Market has been around since 1949 and is one of those iconic places of Hawaii. Unfortunately, they had a fire back in June. They did tell us that they would be fully operational again soon. And luckily for us, they had the express station open and the food was awesome. This was honestly one of my favorite meals. It's nothing fancy, but I mean, you don't really have to be fancy, you just have to be good, which is exactly what Alicia's was. The char siu rib reminded me of something that was home cooked. I really loved it. It was tender and juicy, just like the roast beef, which you can see how thick it is, but I mean, it was actually really soft and just really full of flavor. On top of rice, this is like the perfect meal for me. I'm not a big fan of raw fish, but the poke was amazing. It was clean and fresh. I know I keep saying fresh a lot, but you go to Hawaii, you're gonna get a lot of fresh food. I was a big fan of that. Just tasted very clean and meaty, not fishy.
Are officially at the North Shore, guys. One of the most beautiful beaches I've ever seen in my life. Awesome waves out here. Yeah, it's working. Love you, baby.
Love you.
Love being in Hawaii with you, baby.
Ah!
Beautiful.
What's up, guys? We are totally in vacation mode right now. Very happy to be on this beautiful little island they call Hawaii. It's always been like a bucket list item for me, and guys, I gotta tell you, everything has been beautiful and the people here are super nice.
Island life. And, you know, not a worry in the world.
Lots of chilling and eating.
Yeah, it's good. Bring
All right.
sunscreen.
Lots of sunscreen. Alright guys, as always, thank you for watching. We will see you soon.